So now I come to you with open arms and nothing to hide. Believe what I say. It's okay, that's enough.
Say oops, I got 99 problems singing ba ba ba.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Princess and today we're going to do a full face makeup, but there's a twist. While we're putting makeup on my face, steps by steps, we're trying to eat each bite of this and then try to move on to the next step, putting makeup on my face. So if you guys are interested, just keep on watching. It's strong, baby. You're not supposed to have this. You're gonna die! You can't have this one. Mom's gonna die with this, and then what if it's you that's who's gonna eat this one? That is gonna kill me. I know it smells good, but no, it's not. I know. I'll give you something else. Where is your other stuff? I'm going to put face primer. I'm using the Lumi Glotion by L'Oreal. And next bite. Oh! And then now we're going to use I mix all my foundation still here. Now we're just gonna take another bite before we're going to set our foundation. So now we're going to set our foundation. Because of this challenge, I forgot to put the concealer. So we're just gonna put concealer under our eye. I'm going to use this Fit Me concealer in the shade of medium. And then we're just gonna set that thing. So we're gonna eat another bite. Now we're gonna brush our eyebrows. Oh, I can't even feel my nose. The burn. Oh, my nose is sweating. Now we're going to use this whatever. Oh, my nose. Oh. have a runny nose now. I don't even know what's the next step. Okay, we're going to use this Athena palette by Bad Habit. This is the dupe for Huda Beauty palette. I believe it's the dessert or desert palette that they have launched last year. So I'm just gonna put some I'll put like a picture around here so you guys know what I'm talking about. We're going to do, we're gonna use this one as a transition. We're going to use this brush. I don't know if this is gonna... I think before I finish my makeup, my full face makeup, I'm done with this. By the way, the transition that I did use is the Truth. And the next one we're gonna use is the Clever. Oh, shucks. It's like I have a black eye. We're gonna blend it again. Gonna use Heroic first, a small bite. Maybe I'm gonna put another some Clever on the outer part of our eye. Maybe Power for the in the middle or my lid. I'm going to use the Epic, this one. So we're just gonna go blend it a little bit here. We're going back to Power, the red one. And then we're just gonna trace here a little bit. We're done for that one, so we're gonna dust this off. The powder. So now I come to you with open arms and nothing to hide. Believe what I say. It's okay, that's enough. Eyeliner. For that, we have to eat this. It's already dry. Whoa! All the sauce is on the side of the corner. Look. This is gonna be spicy. Oh. This is our look. We're in the dark side. So now we're gonna curl our lashes. I'll be right back to put some falsies. So I'm back with eyelashes, falsies, and now I'm going to put some mascara on. So next we're gonna eat again with this noodles. Ah. Next we're gonna put some contour. Next, it's gonna be blush on. We're using this Wet n Wild in the shade of Mellow Wine. So one bite. We have this ColourPop Super Shock Cheek. Then I forgot to contour my nose. Okay, the next one, it's gonna be lipstick. I'm going to use this NYX lingerie. I'm so full now. Excuse me. This is the embellishment. So we're almost done. Done. I don't like this one. For the lips, we're going to use this one instead. And that's it for you guys. Thank God I finished this already. So this is the final look, guys. Oh, I got crazy. So this is the final look after a million times of trying to put makeup while eating this spicy noodles.
Can't keep my hands to myself, no matter how hard I'm trying to.
So guys, that's it for you guys today, and I hope you guys like this video. Give this a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. And see you on my next video, and don't forget to comment below if you guys think what you think about this video, and have a great day, guys.